Hello everyone, this is Shakan from Shakan Sweet Treats and Good Eats, and today we're in the test kitchen making Salisbury meatballs. Now for this recipe I used about 5 pounds of ground beef because I have a pretty nice sized family, and I used about 2 cups of breadcrumbs. You want to use that to keep the meatballs together. You can use more or less depending on how much ground beef you use. I also used for seasoning 2 tablespoons of garlic, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and about a teaspoon of adobo, and rolled those up and put them in the crock pot with about 2 to 3 cups of beef broth, because you want them to cover the meatballs and you want to cook those for about 4 hours. Then I made the mashed potatoes, which just had butter, garlic, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Once those were done, I topped those mashed potatoes with the meatballs, and then we had Jiffy cornbread muffins because that is our guilty pleasure. Plus I didn't feel like making hot water cornbread. We just wanted to have something that would keep us warm during this winter storm that was going on. Filled our bellies. It was comfort food and it was really delicious. So I also did add Worcestershire sauce to that meatball recipe. So if you try it, let me know what you think about it. We enjoyed it. I hope you do too. And I really hope that you guys have a sweet treat kind of day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.